today I'm filling in for Khadija because she's asleep. And we're on the way to Mount Plitvice. As you can see, the rain is quite bad, you can hear it.
Hello! So there was a little takeover from this guy. I'm back because I'm fresh and awake now.
We'll soon decide and see who did a better job.
Oh please, that's not even a competition. So it is raining pretty badly here. Well, not too bad lah, but you know, it's not great. But look, there's snow. It's snow. We expected this to happen. We already knew that it was going to rain this weekend, and so we wanted to come here earlier, but then we wouldn't have been able to canoe, and we wouldn't have been able to go to Dubrovnik. Inevitable that we had to come here during the rain, which is a bit unfortunate because this place is really, really beautiful when it's not. So. Well, it's still really, really beautiful, but it's even more beautiful when it's not raining.
There are 3 teams in this trip: the blue team, the hoodies, and the mixed team. The definition of opposites attract.
Shafiq, just sit down. Wow. Look where Shafiq has to do it.
What a lag!
There we go.
Do it. Take all the time you need cleaning, but you gotta do it there. Just be over there, man.
You're nasty.
Damn, you nasty, bro.
Crossing the bridge who has been blessed here for 10,000 years by the Mayan people in Croatia. So now we're gonna turn carefully because the wood here is very, very brittle. You don't know what kind of animal that lurks around. Birds. Squirrels.
Squirrels.
Those are very dangerous.
It's absolutely amazing. It's stunning. It's a beautiful creation. I don't know enough words to describe it.
Oh, that was insane. We were so worried about the weather.
We were.
But because it was raining, there's no one here. So we have the whole place to ourselves. And it's not raining anymore. Look how nice and sunny it is. The weather worked in our favor.
Yes, it did.
Lol.
I didn't know before.
We've got a good Samaritan helping us to go back home. We got 5 people at the back. Can somebody torch the back?
Not literally.
Yeah, not literally. I'm sitting on Ira, Shaz is sitting on Shafiq, and Amir is just comfortable over there.
At the back. Over there. Nice.
And so is Jack comfortable at the front.
Oh, very, very. Alright, check in with you all later.